Hello, everybody. This is Don again with the Reasonable Realtor. Today we ask the musical question: how do you keep your mental health during pandemics? These are the times that we're supposed to stay in our house, and this is a website about your house. So it's only fitting that here's an article. It's a roundup article, a couple of different opinions. But what do you do to keep your peace and your mental health during these trying times? Anyway, if you get a chance, there's three things that I want you to do. I want you to look it over, to like it. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to it and drop me a line. If you want to subscribe, there's going to be a little square corner over here in a little while, a red corner that says subscribe on it, I believe. But anyway, like it, subscribe to it, drop me a line, both here on YouTube and at the Reasonable Realtor. Thanks. See you later.